2025, the automotive landscape took a turn that very few expected. One where classic names began to find a new identity. Among these was the bold return of the GMC Savana, not as a quiet utility van of the past, but as a reimagined powerhouse, ready to reclaim space on the road with both functionality and fierce attitude. The 2025 GMC Savana doesn't whisper. It roars, unapologetically owning its boxy silhouette and transforming it into a design language of strength. At first glance, it's impossible to ignore the wide body frame, now more sculpted and muscular than ever. Chrome accents run boldly across the front fascia, surrounding a freshly reworked grille that's both intimidating and iconic. LED lighting runs like laser eyes, slicing through the dark with precision. This isn't just a van, it's a street statement, a mobile fortress built for those who want to carry more than just cargo. They want attention. What GMC has done with the Savana is more than a refresh. It's a rebirth. The rear end now features vertically stacked LED taillights, a rear spoiler for visual drama, and dual exhausts that give off a low growl when the engine turns. Under the hood, a choice between a high-torque V8 or an all-electric variant with over 400 miles of range and fast charging capabilities. Either way, it pulls like a truck and moves with surprising grace. Thanks to the new adaptive suspension system, the driving dynamics have taken a massive leap. No more floaty steering or sluggish response. Now, it corners with confidence and accelerates with a sense of urgency. Step inside, and you're hit with the luxury of a lounge and the utility of a workstation. Ambient lighting in sapphire blue outlines every surface, from the door trims to the dashboard edges. The seats, finished in diamond-stitched leather with heating and cooling options, adjust in multiple directions to keep both the driver and passengers comfortable on long hauls. The flat floor design allows for countless seating configurations: cargo, passengers, or a mobile office setup with swiveling captain's chairs. Tech-wise, GMC has pulled no punches. A 15-inch floating infotainment display runs the latest GMC IntelliLink OS, seamlessly integrating with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Alexa. A full digital gauge cluster gives you real-time performance stats, navigation, and vehicle diagnostics in ultra-crisp clarity. Plus, with onboard Wi-Fi, multiple USB-C ports, and a 240V outlet, the Savana becomes a tech hub on wheels. But perhaps what makes the 2025 Savana stand out most is how it dares to be different. In a world of sleek, aerodynamic SUVs and repetitive crossover designs, it holds on to its classic boxy shape.